Okay, so last kind of query for now is called a parameter query. Parameter meaning something that can change. So we're going to go on to create and we're going to query design here. And we've still only got our one table, TBL customers. So there we go. We're going to add in all of those fields here, just like we did in the last time. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, so last time we spent, when we did that select query, this is also a select query, but it has a parameter, meaning that we can actually change something at runtime. So let me show you what I mean, and we're going to do a simple one here. There we go. A simple one here, and what we're going to say is that the gender could be either M or F, right? So we're going to kind of ask a question to the user and say, do you want to search for all the M's or all the F's? So the way that we ask that question, what we're asking for is the parameter value, and we do that with the square brackets. So I'm just going to put in a square bracket, an open square bracket, and then a closed square bracket, and run it, and you'll see what happens. Okay, so here I'm going to hit my run. There it says enter parameter value. Now I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to enter M, press enter, and there it searches for all of the M's. Okay, but obviously that's not very useful. We've always got to be thinking of our end user, and Access has a feature so you can put anything that you like inside those square brackets. So the obvious thing is an instruction to the user. So please enter either M or F. Now when I run it, that question appears here, and I know what it's asking me to do. Okay, so pretty neat there. Parameter query. What I want you to do now, experiment with parameter queries. Try and make a few different ones. Each time you do it, once you've finished, just close it here. Say yes to save it. Remember QRY, and this one would be gender. Okay, so now we have the gender query as a parameter query. Now just to show you, whenever we open that up, oops, where have we gone? There we go. Let's go back to my objects. Let's try and stop clicking on the same thing. There we go, queries. Okay, so whenever I open that query up now, it's going to ask me that question. I put in the data, it's going to run. Okay, so create a few different ones. Maybe you could try and change some of those birthday ones. Maybe you want to search for particular surnames. Definitely a certain customer ID is quite a useful thing to do as well. Maybe a range of dates as well. Experiment with those. Maybe let's say 4 or 5 different parameter queries and save each one. Okay.